All right, we got an example with those pesky decimals. I know how much you guys don't like them. Again, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this because you actually have you can distribute that 2 across. But you can also, I'm going to start the other way. You can divide everything by 2, everything by 2. So that's going to go away. 2.2 divided by 2 is 1.1, so that's 1.1h, plus 0.4 divided by 2 is 0.2, and that will be less than or equal to 1.1h minus 0.1. So then I am going to subtract 1.1h from both sides. And that's going to go away, that's going to go away. Remember, because 1.1 minus 1.1 is 0. So then I have a 0.2 less than or equal to a negative 0.1. Remember, the inequality is trying to tell you that 0.2 is always less than or equal to negative 0.1. 0.2 is never less than or equal to, so this is a contradiction. There is no solution. Okay? So there's no solution for that, and then you wouldn't actually need your number line there because there's no solution, so you don't have to actually graph anything. Now, the other way to do this is to distribute that too. So I'm going to write it kind of as I'm doing it. So you have 2.2h plus 0.4 on the left, and that'll be less than or equal to, if I was distributing that 2, remember, like taking this 2 and just distributing it across, I would get 2.2h minus 0.2. It's the same idea though, because you're going to subtract. Oops, what are we doing? I just did something. Just press something on there and I'm not sure what happened. You would subtract 2.2h from both sides. All right, and that's going to go away. And so you have a 0.4 less than or equal to a negative 0.2, and it's the same idea. The 0.4 is never less than or equal to, because you've got a positive number, ignoring the decimals, guys. You can actually completely ignore the decimals. Is a positive number ever less than or equal to a negative number? And the answer is nope, so no solution.